Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today for you I have a get ready with me on this hair, makeup, outfit. So if you guys want to see how I got ready, then please keep on watching. I'm gonna start by prepping my skin, and I have to put you guys to this spray right here. It's amazing. Just like everyone else, I was starting to break out like all in this area due to wearing a mask, and so I was on the lookout for something that was really gonna like protect my skin. And then I found this miracle worker right here. It's from the brand Tower 28, and it is the SOS Save Our Skin Daily Rescue Spray. So what it does is it helps to soothe irritation and defend against daily damage from skin's everyday stressors, including makeup, sweat, grime, and pollution. It maximizes the power of your skin's defense system by strengthening the skin barrier and supporting its natural renewal process. So it has something called hypochlorous acid, which is a naturally occurring organic compound found in your body's own defense system, and that's what's helping your body and your skin, defend itself against like environmental stressors, pollution, sweat, grime, and makeup. So I've been wearing this both day and night, so twice a day for a month, and I have not seen a single breakout since I started using this. I only wish that I had discovered this sooner. So my morning eye cream, the one that I use every day to protect my skin, especially my eye area from the sun, is the Supergoop Bright Eyed SPF 40 eye cream. I'm someone that has been using SPF every single day on my face for the past 3 years, and I've always neglected my eye area from sun protection, so I am so glad that Supergoop came out with this eye cream. Our eye area is so delicate that it's actually the first part of our face that starts to show signs of aging, and so protecting it against the sun is very, very important. And my everyday daytime moisturizer is the Origins A Perfect World SPF 40. So for my hair, I really want to like tie back the front, kind of like the way that it is now, but without the clips. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then just leave the back loose. And then I'm thinking about kind of flipping the ends because I really like that hairstyle. I actually just cut my hair myself. I cut about 2 inches off, so I am a little bit worried that because it's freshly cut, the ends are gonna have like a hard time staying up, but I'm just gonna make sure to use some hairspray for that. And you know what, I'm actually kind of feeling a side part, so let me try that out. I also dyed my hair black last night, and there's nothing like the feeling of a brand new dye job because I don't see any gray hairs right now, and that just makes me so happy. You know what, I'm actually gonna do the hair after I'm done with my makeup, because I know that I'm gonna want to sweep it like this, like a little bit over my forehead, and then if I do the hair first, it's gonna be hard with the foundation afterwards. So yeah, actually let me go ahead and just do the makeup first, and then we'll just do the hair last. So today I'm gonna be bringing out all of my heavy hitters because me and my friends are gonna go out to the park. If you're from New York City, we're gonna be going to Governor's Island, and so we're gonna be out in the sun sweating. We're also gonna be like riding bikes, on top of that like wearing masks. So I need this face to stay on the full day, because after Governor's Island, I think that we're gonna be doing some like outdoor dining. We might get some drinks, so there's that. Definitely Milk makeup, the grip primer. This is like legit gonna make my face stay on the whole day. For foundation, I love this Smashbox 24-hour full coverage. Like it really is long lasting and won't come off your face. The only thing is that I do have a tan right now because I've been going to the beach, and this shade that I have is a little bit lighter for me at the moment. I don't know if I want to take the chance with that and just like apply a lot of bronzer, or you know what, I could actually do the Cover FX Power Play. It's also a mattifying full coverage long lasting foundation, G70. I actually think that this matches me right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the Power Play. 2 pumps of the Hydro Grip from Milk, especially concentrating that on the lower half of my face where we wear our face mask. I decided to move you guys to this side because now I have the camera positioned directly in front of the window, so the lighting will be better. Starting out with my eyebrows, I actually don't fill in my eyebrows anymore, you guys. I kind of gave up on that just because like whenever I do my makeup now, I'm just so lazy. So yeah, I don't even remember when was the last time I filled in my eyebrows. Probably the last time that I did my makeup before like quarantine started back in March. This is the only thing that I do to them now. I just carve out the bottom with some concealer, and then later on I'll brush them up with some clear brow gel to hold them in place, and that's basically it. I mean, I'm pretty blessed that I have pretty full brows, and that's why I don't really need to fill them in. As long as I just kind of like carve out the bottom to give them some definition, that does more than enough for me. This is why I'm glad that I didn't do my hair first, because otherwise doing this part was gonna be such a hassle. For concealer, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way in the color Natural Beige. For setting powder, I've been using two lately. First, the Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Setting Powder. This is normally my other powder when I'm not wearing the Laura Mercier one. And then under my eyes, I have a little bit of the Ben Nye Banana Setting Powder. But I did also put a little bit of the Kat Von D mixed in with the banana under my eyes, just because sometimes when I wear the banana one alone, it tends to give me like a very yellow tint, and I don't necessarily want it to tint my concealer yellow. I just like how brightening it is. So that's why I mixed it with the Kat Von D to kind of like offset the yellow color. And if you're normally not a baker, I feel like this step is something that really does ensure that your like foundation, your concealer, just like your base overall really stays put. Otherwise, if you normally only set your foundation with like a little bit of powder, I feel like that's not enough, and that's when you're gonna start to see your foundation all over the inside of your face mask. You really do need to put a lot of powder, because that's really gonna seal your foundation and your concealer, and it's gonna make it not like, it's gonna basically make it more transfer proof. Now I'm gonna be going in with this all-nighter setting powder from Urban Decay. Yes, more powder. This one specifically is very, very good for like setting. Like, it literally makes your makeup waterproof. Not that I'm gonna be going in the water or anything, like I'm not going swimming, but you know, just because I'm gonna be sweating a lot, especially under the mask, you really want something that's going to prevent the sweat from ruining your makeup. For bronzer, I'm gonna be using the Hula Caramel from Benefit. And then to contour my nose, I like the original Hula bronzer, since it's more cool tone than the caramel one that I use, so it's like perfect for contouring my nose. Blush palette from Tarte, and I'm just mixing these two shades. Gonna put a little bit on just the tip of the nose. Kind of makes the contour look a little more natural, I find. And then I also just run a little bit on my forehead to kind of like even out my face. Applying some clear brow gel from Anastasia, and I like to make them look very like bushy, that kind of like model look. And then after the brow gel dries, I'm just gonna put a little bit of powder on top to get rid of that like shininess. I'm not doing any eyeshadow today. There's really no point, because I'm just gonna be wearing sunglasses the whole time since I'm gonna be out. So I'm just gonna apply some mascara. My favorite two mascara, Milk Makeup Kush, and then the Superhero from IT Cosmetics. The Superhero one is the one that I wear on my bottom lashes, because it's the only mascara that doesn't smudge here on me. Kind of fucked up because I forgot to put my setting spray before mascara, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do it now, at least before I do mascara on the bottom lashes. Just some Urban Decay Beast Lick setting spray. Fuck. Got a little bit on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it, but it's okay. So I'm gonna still put mascara down there. It shouldn't be a problem. I'm just taking the brush that I used to apply the Urban Decay powder before. I'm not taking any more powder, just whatever's left on the brush. I am going to just press it into my skin. Since I put on setting spray, I just kind of want to put like a little bit of powder back on again, kind of like as a third layer. So powder, setting spray, a little bit more powder now, just to make sure again that the makeup's gonna last. And then for lips, I'm just gonna be wearing a lip liner. I find that when I wear this, it doesn't end up on the inside of my mask as much as regular lipstick does. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Colored Pencil in the color 604 Up and Downtown. Now I need to just get started and hurry up on my hair because I'm running out of time. So I don't think that I'm gonna talk in this next portion. I'm just gonna let you guys watch what I do. Since I just finished filming, there's a mess right here, so don't mind that. But this is the dress that I'm wearing. It's from Nasty Gal with just some white sneakers, cute little handbag that's from Forever 21. I am running so late, you guys, that I don't even have time to like steam the dress. I was supposed to leave the house 15 minutes ago. So with that being said, I gotta run now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.